Example number 6, and we want to look at an example in which we convert the following from meters per second, right? And I'm going to say it's 30 meters per second is equal to how many kilometers per hour, right? And so a big question mark there. So let's see. If you look at this, you're going to say, okay, that I can treat again as 30 meters in each second. So in 1 second, I've got 30 meters divided by 1 second, right? And I'm going to have to convert the meters to kilometers. So again, I've got 30 meters, right? 30 meters, and that's equal to, if I look at my table, I've got kilometers over here and I've got meters next to it. Again, I'm going from the smaller unit to the larger unit now, so therefore I'm going to go and divide by 1,000, okay? And that's going to give me 30 divided by 1,000. Okay, in kilometers, that's going to be 30 meters divided by 1,000, okay, which gives me basically 3 over 100, which is going to be 0.03. You can do that part on the calculator. You can show me this calculation. And so now I've essentially converted that to 0.03 kilometers. So I'm going to put 0.03 on top. That's my kilometers. So I've already got that in my target unit. And now I have to turn the seconds into hours. So again, 1 second, right? What portion of hours is that? Well, 1 second is equal to, in an hour you have 3,600 seconds. So it's going to be 1 over 3,600, right? And that I'm going to give us as a value. 1 divided by 3,600 is 2,77. Yeah, so I'm going to write that in as you see it over here, 1 over 3,600, and then you can type that whole thing in the way you see it. That's going to give you 0.03, 1 over 3,600, and then you'll get a final answer, because this now represents the fraction that we have. It's 1 second out of 3,600 seconds. That's the number of seconds we have tackled. And when you type this whole thing in the way you see it here, it clearly gives you a 108 kilometers per hour. Okay, and you can check that that's correct.